Let's go to say serial number 6.
It's better. Okay.
This is community sanitary complex for third gender.
No, this is something else. Pradesh Mantri. Beti Niwas. What is
Serial number 6. That is serial number 5. Beti Niwas is okay. Okay, we can go ahead with this.
5, no?
Beti Niwas.
Okay, start.
Okay.
Please.
We can go ahead with this.
Am I audible?
Mrs. Miss. Yes.
Thank you, everyone. Good morning to all the jury members. This is Misha Singh, CEO Zilla Panchayat, Shajapur, sir. Today we are going to make two presentations, sir. The first is Beti Niwas, and the second presentation is with respect to the toilets for the third gender, which are the gender inclusive toilets, sir. So as you can see, sir, we will be going through 8 slides, and we are going to keep it very short, sir. So this Beti Awas or Beti Niwas is basically a convergence that we have done in our district, sir. So every year, sir, we see that under Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao Yojana, there is an IEC activity which is undertaken, which is awareness generation program, sir. So this year, we just wanted, sir, that every year we are seeing that the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao Yojana is getting limited to wall writing and slogans and paintings and some competitions. Here we decided that since Shajapur, sir, I will just go through some basic data over here, sir. The 0 to 6 census of 2011 shows, sir, that there is a substantial drop in the female and the male boy.
Please move your screen.
Sorry, sir.
Move your screen.
Is it?
Yeah, now it's okay. Now
Okay. Okay, sir. So every year, sir, so this year, sir, when we were doing the census study, we realized that from 2001 to 2011 census, the 0 to 6 number for the child ratio, it has dropped from 936 to 920. So we wanted to know that what is something that if we have to do an awareness program, how can we merge or make our awareness program, which is far more impactful and has far more permanence in the nature than simple wall writing, which is an annual practice. So we realized that in order to make a message which is far more impactful and is cross-cutting across the society, we need to have an appropriate canvas, sir. Interestingly, sir, because I'm heading the office of Zilla Panchayat, and since Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Grameen is being implemented by us, sir, we realized that the sheer scale of the scheme of Pradhan Mantri Awas becomes a very important canvas or very important message carrier for us across the society in the rural parts of our district, sir. This was a very powerful chariot for us. And the 1.34 crore houses that has been the agenda for Prime Minister Modi as well, sir, under which we had got a target of 4,000 houses under FY 1920. We converged Beti Bachao Yojana with these Pradhan Mantri Awases, sir. What we did, sir, we started a pilot project in our district, sir. We first shortlisted all the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana beneficiaries who had recently given birth to a girl child in the family or who have a girl child in the family, sir. Once the identification of such people were done, sir, we got into touch with all the sarpanches of our panchayats, sir. We wanted it to become a people's movement, sir, and therefore the agency of sarpanches was the most important weapon for us in this thing. Certain DO letters were written to them, sir. Certain meetings were held, and we wanted them to carry this message to all the beneficiaries, sir. Once that was done, sir, we started that the house should be started naming after the name of the girl child of the family. It started with initially only 5 to 10 houses, sir. But meanwhile, the momentum was building up, sir. And since the momentum built up, within the pilot, within 10 days, we were able to achieve it to 1,000 houses in our district, sir. All the panchayats of our district, 326 panchayats, are part of this mission, sir. And sir, what we see is it has become a very first convergence of two existing schemes of Pradhan Mantri Awas with Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. after the success of 1000 Awas done, sir, we have seen it becoming a state policy now. After our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan appreciated the efforts that go a long way in gender justice, sir, the Department of WCD, that is Women and Child Care, has made it as a scheme for implementation across all the districts in our state of Madhya Pradesh, sir. The most important and the critical part of this experiment that has become a model for the state policy also, sir, is this is a movement in which people are the forebearers, are the front runners of the message that how important is gender justice, how equally important and the equality is to be granted to a girl child, how important members are they to our society, and that how the differentiation is something which is completely a societal construct. This gives us two important lessons, sir. One, that you are making it an exercise which has been taken over by the people. And second, it becomes completely free from any official machinery to carry this message. Now, since the parents themselves have come forward and they are carrying this message and they are influencing the people around them in the neighboring areas, sir, we are far more in a better position to tell, sir, that we do not have to go from house to house to put this message across at how important it is to give a girl its basic due, the education, the health, the medical facilities, each and everything which is required, sir. From a success across, sir, it has been taken up by many different states also as well, sir. Some neighboring districts have already started implementing this thing, sir. And now we have launched our phase 2 after the successful launch of pilot mission of 1000 houses. Now we are scaling up the entire district and all the 4000 private Pradhan Mantri Awas that have launched over here, sir. Since this is a zero cost initiative, sir, it takes its own wings, funding into it unnecessarily, sir. And since it's parents doing it and it is more of a permanent nature, we actually give Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao the actual motto, a life which was actually required for a very long time, sir. So, sir, this is the roadmap I'm displaying over here. It has now become a state policy. We are going for the full coverage, sir. It has become a people movement. And since it's a people movement free of any machinery from the state anymore, sir, it's far more permanent and sustainable, sir. These are two snapshots I would like to show, sir. These are the names of the daughters of the girl childs of the given houses, sir. The parents themselves have come across. Not only we are seeing on the left hand side, you can see a father holding the daughter, sir. He is from a Ghumakkar. So not only we are giving them the benefit of Pradhan Mantri Awas, we have encouraged the person, he has come forward naming it after the daughters. Secondly, we have a daughter standing in front of the another house. These are the new beneficiaries of the scheme, sir. So I would like to, if the jury permits, I would like to play a very short video, sir, which captures the entire movement that has taken place in Shajapur, sir.
Now, how much time it will take?
It will just take 3 minutes, sir.
Huh?
Just 3 minutes, sir.
Okay, go
Thank you,
ahead.
sir. Is the video visible, sir?
No, it's not. It's not playing.
Just a minute, sir. Huh?
It's okay, leave it if it's not
Leave it,
playing.
Sir, I'm sorry, sir.
It's
Sir,
okay, leave it. Leave it, it's not playing.
Yes.
See, we have understood the project.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. You
It's
tell me,
basically
please,
naming the
huh,
Pradhan Mantri Gram Awas by the name of the daughter in the
Yes,
house.
sir. Yes,
that
sir.
is the project. Now
That's
you
all.
tell me, madam,
Sorry, sir. Just a minute, sir. I'm not able to view
are
the-
you able to listen? Hear
Yes,
me?
sir. Yes, sir. Now I can, sir.
Okay. Now please tell me, just by naming the house after girl, how does it really help? No, some psychological effect it may have. Just listen
Yes,
to
sir.
me.
Yes, sir.
that's one thing, because she's not owning the house. It is like on auto back, no, we write that this auto
Yes.
belongs to the children, such and such. Now, secondly, if there is more than one girl, which girl name you are writing? So all these, I don't know.
So
How,
this all have been taken into consideration, sir.
so you just
As a part of the gender budgeting, sir, the female household member is considered to be given the preference while registering in the name in the house of registering the name of the house in her name, sir. Since all of these girls were below 18, sir, therefore the registration could not take place as of now, and most of this, so the registrations were already done in the name of the female house members. We wanted that the girl child should also be given the due care, sir. As of now, we have seen the IEC many of the schemes for the government being reduced only to some poster makings and some wall writing which do not have any impact. Now, when the name of these girl child have been put on the houses, sir, people were not only curious why it is happening, the people who got it done on their houses themselves were the carriers of the message, and they themselves were telling that why they are doing this thing. Secondly, sir, I was not able to show you the video, sir, for some technical reasons. But we actually have recorded the messages of many girls who, after the naming of their houses, were actually feeling far more happy in sense that they could actually question the parents and tell that why are we not being sent to the senior school now? If you have named a house in our name, we should be given the secondary education as well.
and if there are boys in the house also, and the
Sorry,
boy says, why my sister's name, why not my name?
That is also captured in the video. I'm so sorry, I'm not able to play. The lady actually saying that there are 2-3 ladies actually sitting and the boy is questioning them. It was catched candidly, and they just told, you know what, that whenever I feel sick, the girl is there to help and look after me. You go and you go to the field and you start playing with your fellow mates. If she is the one who takes care of me, she is the one who deserves to be carrying the name of the family now, sir.
Okay,
But,
Guptaji, you can have question.
How did you manage with families having more than one daughter?
He
So
said,
we gave them options for both the things, sir. That you can, sir, we gave 3 options were given, sir. Even in the cases where the family did not have the name of the daughter, we even encouraged that the daughter-in-law should be given the name of the house. That was one option, sir. Second option was, if you have one single daughter, you can name the house after them. And secondly, if you have 2 daughters, you can converge the name of 2 daughters, or you can either name, and you can name the house in name of either of the daughters. So we completely gave this option to them, sir. We did not want to have a very administrative clutch over something which could have the possibility of becoming a people's movement, sir. So we wanted.
Was any preference given to families in award of this Pradhan Mantri Awas?
Sorry, sir?
Having say any preference given to families having daughters
Sir.
for giving this Pradhan Mantri Awas?
Sir, preference that we are giving, sir, we are secondly merging them with another scheme from the forest department, sir. The idea is that we will be giving them certain plants, sir, which have market value, sir. That eventually helps them to pay off during the, because there are 2-3 schemes which are being run for paying father or helping the father economically during the marriage of the girl. So if they are doing it, sir, we are also converging it with the forest department scheme where we are giving them certain plants which have a high market value, sir, which they can plant from the nursery which is being given, and that they can utilize after the girl is 18 years old. And if they want to marry her, that plant can be utilized to pay off certain part of the entire ceremony that is taking place. So there's a Ladli Lakshmi Yojana which is already being.
What happens when the daughter gets married?
Sir, nothing would happen when the daughter gets married. The house retains the name, sir. And since I had told the option was given, the first option was also given. In case the family doesn't have any son or any daughter, sorry, then the daughter-in-law can also be given the name. The house can also be named in the name of daughter-in-law. The idea is girl.
With this model, I
Yes,
had another presentation from some other state in earlier.
So we are,
earlier.
and so we are different in one and very prominent way, sir. Number one.
So, a similar presentation was there.
So I'll just add one more point, sir. This was different in one way, sir, because we were not directly making an interference in its organic development, sir, number one. And secondly, Pradhan Mantri Awases have never been used, sir. Pradhan Mantri Awas has never been made the canvas for carrying any message. For
No, it was there. It was there. I had a presentation from some other state.
Okay, sir.
Just exactly the same, that they were naming the house in the name of their daughters.
And sir, thirdly, sir, since it had never been done in MP, sorry, sir, I'm not aware of the other.
And maybe it was not in MP,
Yes, sir.
but yes, it was there in some other state.
And since it was done, and we have in the short term, sir, we have seen that the state government has taken it up as a state policy, sir. So it is no more a district anymore, sir. So this
The
a sense of
best
achievement.
thing would be that houses which are willing to do that, they
Sir,
should be given some preference or some additional funds.
sir, fund, since it is a zero, so that is one thing, sir.
No, it's a zero thing.
Yes, sir.
But as a token of appreciation to the household, naming the house in the name of their daughters, some additional funds for construction of house or a construction of additional room would have been a better.
Sir, that we
incentive.
cannot control, sir. That is a completely central government mandate, sir.
Under the state, from the state government side.
So that
From the
also
state-
cannot happen, sir. That also cannot happen, sir.
That
Pradhan
would be
Mantri
given
Awas-
additional incentive. I think it was a way of incentivizing this.
That
thing.
is true, sir. Very true, sir. That is one of the part that is being taken up by the department in the state, that what can be done, but they haven't come out with any policy as of now that how they would like to incentivize. WCD, Department of Women and Child, however, have asked to make it as a mandatory thing, that to make it a people movement, involve sarpanches, involve household parents, and ask them to adopt it once they are giving the final installment for the completion of the houses, that they should
Okay.
start naming it in the name of the daughter. So
Okay.
once the inauguration happens, sir, then this will become something which is span states. So
Okay.
happy doing it in a small way, which has an impact which goes a long way, sir. So it-
Okay.
Okay, leave it. Thank
Let's
you.
go ahead. Let's go ahead.
Which is next?